Are you getting device limit reached for Microsoft Store error in Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. When you try to install an app on Windows, you may see an error that reads device limit reached. What does this mean and how do you resolve this issue? This will answer to these questions. Let's get started. Method 1. Verify Windows activation. If you upgraded to Windows PC, ensure your copy is activated. Method 2. Clear pending downloads and updates in Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store app and click on Downloads. If you see any downloads or updates pending, delete all of them and try again to download and install the app. Method 3. Reset Microsoft Store. If this doesn't help, you may want to reset the Microsoft Store. Here is how to do so. Type WS Reset in the taskbar search. In the result, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Let the scan complete, restart and try to install the app. You can also follow this guide for details. Remove a Windows device. If nothing works, visit account.microsoft.com and log in with your Microsoft account. You will be directed to the devices page as shown in this image. If you wish to add a device, click the Add Device link and complete the procedure. If you need to remove some devices, click on the Manage link. On the next page, you can opt to remove the device. You may also see links to apps and games device. This removes a device if you are trying to still install an app or game on a Windows device and you have reached your device limit. You can install apps or games on up to 10 devices. Music devices. When you download music on a device, that device will show up here. Movies and TV devices. When you download movies and TV on a Windows device or an Xbox 360, that device will show up here. Remove devices you no longer use. However, note that you can only remove one device every 30 days. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.